Agric ministry don change mouth say the 3-day prayer session na for the well-being of staff and not to end hunger for the country. Welcome to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, e get the tori wey e enter before say the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security don declare fasting and prayer program for one circular wey dem issue for June 12, and na the Director of Human Resource Management, Modupe Adedayo, na sign am say make dem seek God's divine guidance to end food insecurity for the country. That memo come generate mixed reactions for Nigeria. People come dey wonder, for Ministry of Agriculture, the arm of government when e dey regulate how food and livestock go take dey available for the country, e come be like say dem don lose ideas. Dem no know how to solve the problem of hunger in the country. Dem come dey resort to fasting. E not to go down well with people when e say the minister don lose touch with the reality on ground, that na pragmatic leaders na go fit take any country out of the problem of food shortage, and na to encourage people to go back to farm, na to encourage them with government policies to make lands available, to ensure security, because the menace of these herders and farmers e dey rampant. So now for government to take measures when e go stall all those attacks when farmers then they get, to put policies too when e go return the country to ranching instead of this carry waka when herders they carry their animals, they enter people farm to eat their crops, to destroy their farms. And when these farmers them ask questions, sometimes then they attack them. But instead the ministry dey resort to prayers and fasting. The tirade from people come too much, that the ministry now they don backtrack. They don talk say no, they not declare the 3-day fasting and prayer program for food security. They say no. They say the fasting and prayer na to seek the betterment, the good of the people. That is to say, the betterment of the staff. That one itself too is still dey laughable. The staff members them, the ones when they be Christians, they get churches when they go. The ones when they be Muslims and other religions, they have their day where they worship. So which one now you won't call do 3 days fasting and program? Abi that one a new schedule of duty when government don give to the ministry. Now that one be the burden of most underdeveloped nations and countries. Instead of them to dey pragmatic, to seek ways when they go to solve the problem when they confront their nations, they go dey divert attention to religion and nicely dey aid the backwardness of most of these countries, including Nigeria. Now, because of the backlash when people, come bring out to say that move e dey inappropriate, people dey grapple with the rising cost of food prices and widespread hunger. You dey schedule prayer to hold for conference or B of the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security headquarters for Area 11 Garki, Abuja from 12 to 12:30 p.m. on each scheduled date. The ministry now don backtrack. They don come out now with a statement on Saturday to clarify, say the prayer session exercise no be official policy to address the country agricultural and food security challenges. The ministry say the prayer session na initiative of the Human Resources Department to promote the staff well-being. The ministry say the move e dey similar to the already established medical checkups, monthly aerobic exercises, and the gymnasium wey dey intend for physical fitness of staff members. The statement come talk say the ministers and the management team dey work to ensure food and nutrition security for the country in accordance with the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Tinubu administration. Country people, the attempt by the ministry to make good their first intention now, officially e don kind of down the tension, but the first message wey people don get, e make many Nigerians dey say, hope na the right people dey put there o. Because if all these things wey you dey put up for staff welfare, gymnasium, aerobics, all health checks and whatever, they dey good. But if your core mandate as a ministry una no dey fit dey meet up, then you go come ask wetin be all these other exercises wey una dey do for una well-being. Una well-being e no suppose to translate to an efficient management of the country food program, abi na for una to look good and hunger dey ravage the land. So e dey bring more question than the answers wey dem think say dem don provide. Make the ministry go back to the drawing board, make dem look where things for scatter, and make dem make policies wey e go help, like we don address before. Wetin dey make food dey high, the cost of food dey go up, wetin dem go fit do to curb this herders farmers clash wey dey make many farmers don abandon their farms because of insecurity all across the country. Dis na policies wey dem go fit articulate, then dem go bring up to government at ten tion formally, and make government take immediate steps rather than this call. Even though if na for the good of the staff, nothing dey wrong with the objective, but if the overall mandate of the ministry dem no dey meet am, then everything dey wrong. Country people, how una see this development?